temen ya di kamsai jai mong.
Temen ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya hu MLA sungji.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang men buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Ka MMA seminar ka belai sengi belapen long da ka IDM Fitness and Fight Club kelakut no hakalai puwai truk lalingkot arajar arpun riu. Hakini gelai sengi belapen long ka seminar Punyajit Likharu ubadu kluri kura MMA na ka jela Assam ulai Jingmut bar ulapen I shibun kisam kumno banyak kon hakaran san mixed martial arts. Hadim melawai ka seminar be karam unong ulum kubor ka Batisi TV. Punyajit Likharu ulapen pau bakum uwe ni kirangi kura MMA ula Jingmut ki kena nak ba ula yo Jingmut ru yeladi bat ongru bagi kena kilong ki bakloi ban sngam bat syak skor bhai ki jingbatai jong u ulong kam de basuk Ïalehkai ka mixed martial arts ban poi syaka thong hinde kan kam ki jing trai shitam ki jing Kilan met ka man lagasngi bat ki jing Pynleit Jingmut Chushu ulong ru kan ki jing Ïalehkai kam dei tang ka sports hinde ka pen kelai ki brio ban kian ki jing mlen ki basniu ban kian na udrok ban ki we ki jing mlen ki basniu
Start and keep going. Change. 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 Up. 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 Faster, faster, faster. Come up, don't stay tall, stay in your... Find it hard to roll on your head, you can roll on your shoulders. Any shoulder that you want. If you're rolling on this shoulder, roll this side and roll there. If I'm rolling on this shoulder, I look that side, roll here. Yeah, go. She's trying to touch my shoulder, I'm trying to touch her shoulder, okay? You're playing around. If she's trying to touch, I'm going to try to evade. She's trying to touch, I'm going to try to evade, I'm going to try to touch, okay? Fine. And change. Fine. Keep using your face. You have plenty of time now. Keep trying to think of the things that you have been working on the past 2 days. Use your head movements. Set up those weights. When I say sprawl, you're going to do a sprawl. Combination and then step out. Sprawl. When I say go, you're pummeling. And I say go, I'm going to fight for a double underhook. Underhook. You and start doing shadow boxing, I'll come and help you out. 3, 2, 1, go! Pummel. 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 Take a break, find a different partner. Start pummeling, don't fight yet, and go! Basic position is that usually you end up, if you take a person down, is on the ground, on like a close guard. Okay? Usually in MMA, if I am in his close guard, I'm in a much better position because I can strike from here. But a lot of time, what happens is that if I'm striking, he can cover himself up, hold me down. Sometimes we stall and I'm not able to lift his right too much. So we need to figure out ways how if that happens. If I'm stuck in his guard, the first thing usually that I always need to do is that find ways to get my posture up. If my posture is low, if I even hit from here, it's not doing much damage. It's just, you're getting hit, but it's not like causing damage. And MMA find positions, like places where I can hit him with knees. Trying to finish the fight, I need to find those places, right? So usually, what we're going to do right now is we're going to do a drill. We're putting our head here. Okay, my hand, a C grip, not this way, facing this way outside. I'm going to put both my hands on his armpit here. Okay, using this to block. Him trying to hook my hand or trying to get an underhook. I'm here blocking. Choose any side, be it your right side or be it your left side. Okay, I like my left side, so I'm going to put my foot up. Come here. As I'm coming here, my posture is not straight up, it's bent a little bit here. Okay? From here, find any place, boom, boom, come back again. Choose the other side. Stay here, come again. Keep your you are doing, keep your fingers, get moving, pushing in. When your knee goes up, when you take your knee up, don't get your head up. Once your knee gets up, then you lift it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my head to push it. Okay, I need to use my head to push it. Okay, find my way to create space, whichever way we are. Okay, for now, what we're going to do, simple drill. Push his head, sorry. Okay, one arm control. Yeah? Push his head, whichever way I am, I'm going to get one arm control. When I get one arm control, I'm going to posture one more. Facing his strapped arm. Okay, it's gonna come up first. I'm gonna use this. Come stand up tall. I'm gonna stay low. Okay, use my knees to pinch him. Pinch his knee. As I'm pinching, I'm being in a good posture. I'm gonna throw a few strikes. Boom, boom. Okay, use your hips. Not here. Use your hips. Bam, bam. Yeah. Whenever I'm punching on ground and pound from top, my hips are using this momentum. Bam, bam. Yeah? Not this. Use your hips, your knees are pinched. Okay? Guys, come back again. Okay? Let's say he's controlling. I'm going to break his posture any way that you can. Okay? Use that time to control one wrist. Once you get one wrist, use your other wrist as well to control his same, to get his wrist free, okay? Whenever he's doing this, I have a little bit of time. I'm going to use this time to pinch whichever is strapped, not the other leg. You can use this to do stuff to break my posture. So I'm going to use the same leg, his hand is strapped. I'm going to use this to come up. As I come up, I'm going to not stand up tall. I'm going to stay low in a squat position. And then my knees are going to pinch in. Okay? Pinch, punch. Punch, okay, come down. And then we're going to go down here. We're going to break his posture. Use this. If I'm trapping this, once I get one hand, I'm going to use the other hand to trap him. Use this time to use this knee, the same side knee, to stand up. As I stand up, I'm going to squat, not come up tall. Use my knees to pinch in. Yeah? This is not a comfortable position, I know, for everyone, for me as well, any of the fighters, but use this because you can do really good damage from your pinching. Punch, boom, 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 and then I go again. Yeah? When we're doing ground and pound from the ground, when we're trying to stand up, why it's important that I reach here and don't keep my knees like this. What I'm trying to do here. When he's on his guard, a lot of things is that I need to control his legs and I need to control his hips. Okay? If my knees are like this, first I'm like putting pressure on myself, and he has a lot of space here to use his knees to move around. Okay? Arab can do many things here. But as soon as I close this, okay, his knees, his hips are blocked. I have time here to do damage. And if you're here And if you're doing this and you're feeling that his knees are weak, all you need to do, he has still space. All you need to do is like step forward a little bit, walk ahead a little bit. His hip, but I have good control here. Okay? Anytime, okay, like you're here, anytime he's trying to do, maybe grab his leg, trying to break the posture, no problem, come back again on your guard. Okay, work again. Again, get over 2-on-1. Again, stand up. Again, break his posture. And go again. Yeah? Get used to this position. It's not comfortable, I know, but start getting used to this position. Don't stay too back. If you're feeling you're too behind, come forward. Pinch your knees in. Okay? Try to pinch. Not here. Not here. Where these knees are. Pinch this. Yeah? Okay? I need to be exposing, I need to give you like even the back or something, which is what we're going to work on right now. So, because I'm getting hit, right? So, you can use this head as well. You can use your head to like, use your head to move both my hand and then push up. Yeah. All of my head going. Yeah. Focusing too much on punching him, okay? He has only 3 steps he needs to do to stand up. Let's say you're up, this my guy. For me to stand up from this position, it just takes me 3 steps. I'm going to use 1, okay? 2, come up, and I'm escape. Yeah? I don't want for me to do so much. Let's say I take Yarab down somehow. I take him down. Okay, he turns, I get his back, and now I am here in a very good position, and then what happens? Yarab just stands up. Yeah, all my effort is like what? Gone to waste. And in MMA you don't have, we need to manage our energy levels, right? If I'm working so hard to get him to this place, I need to find ways to keep him at this place. Yeah? To either find submissions or to either find positions where I can do more damage to him, yeah? So what we are going to do is once we are here, my weight, okay, my knees are not pinching but close to his thigh, yeah? I'm here. You can keep your hand. And this hand is going to come to his hip. Okay? Same like driving. Everyone knows how to turn a car. We turn our car this way. We turn our car this way with a wheel. Right? The same thing I'm going to do to break his posture. I'm going to push this side. Use this hand on his hip. Not here, not here, not here. On his hip bone. Here. Yeah? This hand is going to push. This hand is going to pull. Come close. I'm going to push and pull. When I do that, his posture breaks. Okay? Very easily. Come back again. I take your up down. I find my place here. I'm coming to his back. Okay? Once I'm on his back, I'm going to come, put my weight on him. This hand is going to push. This hand is going to cut. Push and cut. Together at the same time. Very easy. You're not even using any strength. Once I get here, Garab comes on his elbow. Okay? We're going to use this hand. Elbows are down. We're going to use this hand to go to his wrist. Sorry. The other hand goes to his wrist as well. Same like folding a towel over him and use my weight to drive him forward. Okay? Once I break his posture, my leg is going to come, trap his leg. My weight is going to be here, and once I get this position, this is one of the most dominant positions right now in MMA. Okay, mostly you've seen all these Dagestani fighters, all these Russian fighters using it. It's called the Dagestani handcuff because most of the fighters started using this from there. And you start throwing punches, you cannot move in this scenario. Yeah, it's a very good position to end up to, but sometimes what happens is that we don't know how to reach this position. We rush too many steps, and then let's say Rara escapes. Yeah. So for us to reach there now, step by step, what we're going to do, we're going to go to his back. He's putting his hands up. All I want you to do right now, okay, use this hand to push forward. Use this elbow, not your hand, not your wrist. Your elbow is coming to his hips. I'm going to push it, and I'm going to push this hand forward. Yeah? Just reach to here now, for now, and then we're going to move step by step. Okay? Here, once more. I'm in Ira's back. He's having his posture up. I'm here. Okay? He's almost about to escape. I'm here. I don't want to keep him here. I'm going to use this hand to push forward and just cut. Yeah? Simple? Very easy. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Come back in, guys. Hip, down. So the focus is not too much on pushing here. the focus is on breaking this. Yeah? Put your weight here, push this, and use this as like a steering wheel. You're just back, I'm pushing. Once he sits, I'm here. I'm not trying to fall back here. Yeah? You lose your weight. You're here. All the time connected to him. Okay? Again. Moving to the second step now. And as a partner as well. Your partner is not going to be, okay, when Yarab does it to me, as a partner as well, be a good partner, be a good teammate. If Yarab does it to me, he tries to break my posture. When he's breaking my posture, I'm not going to go here. Okay, no one is going to like, no one is that weak, right? When fall down and lay flat like this, right? Be realistic. Let's say he pushes me down, okay, I fall. I'm going to come here because what is my job? If I'm in a bad position right now, I want to stand up. I cannot stand up from here. I can stand up by my elbows, like this, keep fighting. Yeah? So don't lay flat. When he pushes me down, partner pushes, come on your elbow. Yeah? Here, I break this posture, I come here. Yeah? Now all I need to do, if let's say Yarab, instead of falling on his elbow, he falls on his hand. Okay, he's here. And I'm not able to trap his arm because his hands, his posture is straight up. All you can do is use this. You know, you all watch karate movies, right? Karate chop him. Now, use this hand. Control. My hand goes in. Okay, reach here. Let's say his posture is up again. I'm going to use this to break. Hold. Hold. Yeah? Once I hold here like a towel, I'm going to wrap it. You see this? If my hands are here, he's strong here. If my hands are here and I'm trying to push your up forward, okay? Even if let's say our weight, we have difference in our weight, it's going to be very hard for me because his posture is still strong. To break this, I'm just going to use this to roll like a towel. Roll, and then even if I don't use my strength, I'm pushing him, he's gonna fall. Yeah? Hold, hold, roll like a towel, like a bike accelerating, and then push forward. Just reach till here. Okay? Once you're here, you switch again. Okay? Here. Breaking this. Here. When you're breaking this, use this hand. At the same time, you push forward. Break and go. Yes. Push this, yes. And now use when you're pushing it, pull this up. So, yes, don't fall. Okay? Yeah.
Come lock
If you're going this way, if you're going that way, you're going to break this. Break here, and you're going to use here. Yes, don't fall back. And he's breaking my posture. Break. See how he is. He's not falling down. Again, look at how he does it. He's still standing. Don't as you're breaking, fall like this. Okay? Stay on top. Stay on top here. Break, stay on top. As I break, I'm still on top. Sit back, yeah? Okay? Yes, stay on top. Good, very nice. Perfect, very nice. Good job, good job. jump, guys. Come back. Put it down. Get my arm. Okay. Roll his hip. Once I'm here now, once I break his posture down, okay. The next step for me, I have controlled his upper body. Okay. Now I need to control his lower body. For me to do that, usually a lot of times what we do is that we step forward. We do this big step. And usually in big movements, what happens is that the bigger the space is, the more opportunity he has. If I'm doing a big movement here, he can put his leg in and stuff. Instead of doing all of that, what I want you to do, the best way to trap his legs, use my knee, okay? My knee to push it in. I'm using my weight all the time, pushing it in, and I'm stepping forward. Push it in, I'm stepping forward. Once I'm stepping forward, I trap this leg. This leg which is on top, I'm trapping it. Once I trap the leg, my weight on my hips is not going to be here. It's going to be on his thigh. Here, yeah? So don't stay up too high. Don't stay too low. Stay on his thigh and put your weight here. Keep this control all the time. Okay? Once you reach here, then you can let go and then you can strike. As you're striking, the same thing. You're not striking here. Rabbit punches don't help, okay? Instead, I'm using my hip all the time, pulling, pulling, pulling. Okay? Here, once again. I use all of this, I break his posture. I break his posture, I'm here. No big step. Use your knee to push and slide down. Once I slide down, I use my leg, either leg, to trap his knee. Once I'm here, I put my weight on him. Once I put my weight on him, I can let my arm go. Be here, I can posture up, and then I can strike. Yeah? Here? Okay, work around, and then if I see any mistakes, I'll fix it again. From here we can try to be strong. Be strong. We will it's going to be hard for you. Simple way here, what you want are elbows and then you're strong here, right? But once you cut your elbows here, what happens? You're going to fall. Yeah? From outside, cut the elbow. Yes, and then cut the elbow. Yes, beautiful. Now use your weight. Yes. Put your knee in, drive it in, nice. Now control. Yes. Stay back. Let's go back a little bit more. Yes, stretch the hips. Yes, yes, beautiful. Beautiful, nice. Break it. What he can do right now, he needs to be very slow. What he can do is kind of pull his arm or do all this. When he does this, use your elbow to pinch it into his back. Yes. When you're pinching this knee, it's harder. Let your elbow out. Try to move your arm. Easy, right? Go back again. Now punch your elbow in. Try to move your arm. Now keep this close. You don't even need to use just keep this there. You're going to have more control. Of course, I mean, these close the head. Okay. Take your punches. Boom. Boom. Use this. And then punch. Use your hips to punch. Yes. Yes. I'm not gonna just let him get this easy. Okay, he needs to break it. Yeah. Okay. Once he breaks this, he's gonna get my wrist. Now again, I'm gonna use my base. Yeah. Okay. Give 60-70% resistance with your leg as well. Try to cover it and stuff. Once he gets here, okay, gets the position. Once you feel his weight, then you're gonna stop. Same person will keep going till I say change. Okay? Break my posture. Okay, I'm here. Till he stabilizes this place, okay? Then we switch. Till then, no. Okay? Be strong, okay? Let your partner work. Okay? You're not fighting here, but you're helping your partner. Okay? Try to go a little bit faster between you two, right? Get resistance, but keep going for it. Push that arm in. So here he shoots, I come back, okay? And then I go again. Partner is going to shoot. I'm going to sprawl. At this time, when you're sprawling, okay, don't let your partner go in too deep and you're too tall like this. When you're sprawling, when you're shooting, keep your base low. At this place, I can sprawl. It's not, of course, you don't have seconds to think. It's a body reaction. But when you're prepared, you're ready to sprawl. Okay, so when you're shooting, only difference is he's shooting, I'm sprawling. Switching direction, okay, and then from here we go again. Okay, I'm cutting, breaking, pushing, trapping his leg, and then same thing. Okay, keep switching. Once your partner will go, once you're done with you reach the end point, switch up, and I'm gonna shoot on your arm. He's gonna sprawl, I'm gonna go back, and then he's gonna do this one. Okay, I'm here, cutting, pushing. And then chucking my leg. Here? Yeah? And then go again. Yeah. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Fake. Fake. Fake without any combinations. When I say shoot, throw anything. You can throw a jab and shoot. You can throw a hook and shoot, but not blindly. Shoot. Fake. Sprawl. Shoot. Sprawl. Shoot. So jab, throw, but anything with speed. Fast punches, okay, when I say speed. 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 Sprawl. Sprawl. Shoot. Sprawl. Sprawl. Throw your punches, any combinations with your points. Let your hands go. Sprawl. Shoot. Shoot. Speed. Sprawl. Speed. Shoot. Let's go, don't slow down. Speed. Sprawl. Speed. Shoot. Shoot. Sprawl. 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 Speed. 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 Let's go. Speed. Time, guys. Run. Jog. Let's go. Jog. Get your breath here. No more. Keep jogging. Let's go. Change. shake our hands again. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Yeah, it was a 3-day seminar, an MMA seminar that we did here in IDM. And myself, I'm a growing fighter, so whatever I know and whatever I think is helping me, I'm trying to teach that to the students here. And I hope, like during these 3 days, they have been able to pick it up, and hopefully they can use it in their future fights. It's amazing. It's everyone is picking up really quick. I can see that all the students, I mean, they're very, very eager to learn. So that's always good when you want to improve your sport in this state, and like you see the students are like showing up all the time, focused and excited. So it was amazing to be a part of this. It's not an easy sport, but just like anything in life, everything is hard. So the only way to get success is to keep doing it. Even if the path doesn't seem easy, just be focused. And martial arts is an amazing thing. It's not just as a sport, as a person, it's going to change you and your life. So stay away from all the bad things as possible. Stay away from drugs, all the negative things that are there in life. Come here, train. You're going to be much more happier. And it changed my life. I'm sure it'll change yours as well.